Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We've got a huge weather story unfolding this week across the United States. We're talking about one of the sharpest temperature drops we've seen all summer. A rare August cold front reaching as far south as Florida. And the tropics heating up with new storm development that could become our next hurricane. Stick around, because we'll break down everything you need to know for your area. Let's start with what's happening right now. We're coming off a quiet August. Believe it or not, we went more than 3 weeks without a major severe weather outbreak. That streak ended yesterday when a couple of tornadoes touched down in northeastern South Dakota. Nothing catastrophic, but a reminder that summer storms can still pack a punch. Meanwhile, on the East Coast, Hurricane Erin brushed past New England. The outer bands reached Cape Cod with big waves, some minor coastal flooding, and dangerous rip currents. If you're hitting the beaches this week from Long Island down to the Carolinas, please keep an eye on those surf advisories. Now for the big story, the cold blast coming straight out of Canada. Right now, high pressure is locked over the southwest, while a powerful low is sitting over Canada. That setup is funneling strong north winds into the US. This is unusual for late August, and it means a pool of cold air is going to drop south this weekend and early next week. By Sunday and Monday, we'll see temperatures 20 to 30 degrees below average from the northern plains into the Midwest. Chicago, Minneapolis, Des Moines, you're all in for morning lows in the 40s, with some spots dipping into the upper 30s. That's chilly enough for patchy frost in northern Minnesota and Wisconsin. And this isn't just for the north. By midweek, the cold front dives all the way to the Gulf Coast. Yes, even Florida could feel a taste of fall. The Panhandle could see highs only in the mid-80s by Wednesday. Doesn't sound that cool? Remember, that's rare in August, when Florida usually sits hot and humid. Meanwhile, the West Coast stays under a heat dome. California, Nevada, and Arizona will stay dry and warm, while the central and eastern U.S. enjoy this rare break from the summer heat. The Climate Prediction Center already shows well below average temperatures lasting through the final days of August. So if you've been begging for sweater weather, it's here, but only for a short time before September heats back up. So what about storms? The good news, the severe weather threat looks pretty limited. Today, isolated storms from Nebraska through Michigan may bring some hail or gusty winds, but nothing widespread. Saturday and Sunday, mostly just rain along the East Coast, no major tornado outbreaks expected. By Monday into Tuesday, high pressure builds across the Midwest and Great Lakes. That means clear skies, dry air, and cooler mornings. For most of the U.S., the first week of September should start fairly calm. The wild card, as always this time of year, is the tropics. Hurricane Erin is pulling away from the U.S., transitioning into an extratropical system, but the Atlantic isn't quiet. Just south of Bermuda, conditions are ripe for our next tropical storm, likely to be named Fernand. Models suggest it could reach Category 1 hurricane strength and head directly toward Bermuda early next week. If you're in Bermuda or planning to travel there, you'll want to monitor this closely. Meanwhile, a disturbance in the central Atlantic is showing more organization than expected. Earlier, we thought it would fizzle, but now forecasters are giving it a medium chance of development. If it holds together, it could strengthen into a tropical storm, or even a low-end hurricane as it tracks toward the Lesser Antilles. Bottom line, the Atlantic hurricane season is officially ramping up. Late August into September is historically the most active time of year, and 2025 looks no different. So to recap, big cold blast on the way for most of the U.S., 20 to 30 degrees cooler than normal. Limited severe weather risk, with mostly rain along the East Coast. Tropics are active, with a new storm likely forming near Bermuda, and another disturbance worth watching in the Atlantic. Enjoy the cool air while it lasts, because September is likely to bring the heat back. Thanks so much for watching. If this forecast helped you plan ahead, hit that like button, and share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe for daily U.S. weather updates. We'll be tracking this cold front and the tropics all week long. See you in the next one.